How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, simply open the Instagram app, and now here once you're inside the app, let's say that you want to create some post or story. And now here, let's say you have selected or clicked some random photos that you want to add it as a story. And here, if you tap on the music icon at the top, then a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, let's say if you search for any songs and artist, for example, let's say Santan, Dave, and now here, let's say if you doesn't find the song that you want to add, then here is the important part. Now, here, not every song in the world is on Instagram Music Library, but if many songs are missing, it's likely due to your account settings. So, here, to fix that, you can simply exit the story, and now, here, once you are on the main feed page, then you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and activity section, you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on creator tools and controls. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down, and here you simply have to switch the account type because most users lose access to full music library because they are on professional account. So here you can simply switch it to the personal account and confirm your choice, and here you just have to wait a moment while Instagram updates your account. And after that, you can simply go back to the home screen and create the story that you want. And here, if you again click some random photos and search for the music that you want to add for your post, then it's likely that you will find the song that was missing before. And that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram music not showing all songs. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.